Most students never reach financial freedom because they never learn how money works. Making your first $10,000 takes effort, but it's easier than most people think. Skills create opportunities. Opportunities create income. Every successful entrepreneur started small. Nobody begins at the finish line. Small actions repeated daily create extraordinary results over time. The market rewards value creation, not wishful thinking. Your first dollar changes everything because it proves what's possible. Most people wait for motivation. Successful people build discipline. Financial success is predictable when the right habits are repeated. A year from now, you'll be different. The question is whether you'll be better. Time is your biggest advantage, especially when you're a student. The sooner you start investing in yourself, the sooner results begin to appear. Most people spend money first and think about investing later. Building wealth isn't complicated, but it does require patience. The best investment you'll ever make is in your own education. Success rarely happens overnight, but failure often happens slowly. Every dollar has a job. Give it a purpose. Financial freedom starts the moment you take responsibility for your money. Most opportunities look ordinary until they become successful. Your habits shape your future more than your goals ever will. Money follows value. Value follows effort. The first step is always difficult. That's why most people avoid it. You don't need perfect conditions. You just need to begin. The earlier you start investing, the less you'll need later. Discipline creates wealth. Excuses create regret. A small amount invested consistently can become something extraordinary. Most students underestimate how valuable their time really is. The market rewards patience eventually, not emotional decisions. Every wealthy investor once started small too. Nobody begins with millions immediately. Financial success depends on long-term behavior mostly, not temporary market conditions. The market rewards disciplined investors eventually, not emotional reactions during uncertainty. Short-term setbacks are normal. Long-term growth is what matters. Wealth grows quietly at first, before becoming impossible to ignore. Successful people focus on solutions, while others focus on problems. The future is built today, not someday. Consistency beats intensity almost every single time. Learning a valuable skill today can pay you for years. Your first $10,000 changes more than money. It changes how you think. Most people chase quick money. Wealthy people build long-term systems. Your income can grow dramatically when your skills improve consistently. Financial freedom is earned gradually, not won instantly. Every expert was once inexperienced. They simply refuse to quit. The best time to start is always sooner than you think. Money rewards patience eventually. Impatience often gets punished. Short-term setbacks are normal. Long-term growth is what matters. Most opportunities don't look exciting at first glance. A valuable skill can change everything. One opportunity at a time. Small improvements seem invisible daily, but powerful over years. Financial confidence comes from action, not from wishing. Your future depends largely on today's decisions. Many people wait for certainty. Successful people move despite uncertainty. Progress is rarely dramatic, but always worth it. The market pays problem solvers, not excuse makers. Every small win matters because momentum starts somewhere. Learning compounds like money over long periods. The sooner you become valuable, the sooner you become profitable. Most people overestimate talent and underestimate consistency. A better future starts with better daily habits. Wealth is often built quietly, behind the scenes. The hardest part of success is usually getting started. You don't need perfection, you need progress. Every dollar invested wisely works harder than expected. Most setbacks are temporary if you keep moving forward. Your future self is created by your present actions. The best investors stay rational even during uncertainty. Time rewards disciplined people more than talented people. Building wealth takes commitment, not constant motivation. The journey to financial freedom begins with a single step. Most people want financial freedom. Few are willing to earn it. Your habits today determine your results tomorrow. Income grows naturally when value grows consistently. Every successful investor made mistakes. They simply learned from them. The earlier you start, the greater your advantage becomes.
Money is a tool. Use it wisely. Most opportunities are missed because they look like work. A small action today can change your future. Financial success rewards discipline, not emotions. Every dollar saved today creates options tomorrow. Building wealth is simple, but not always easy. Knowledge without action creates no results. Success often arrives quietly before anyone notices. Consistency creates momentum. Momentum creates results. The market rewards patience over long periods. Every financial goal starts with a decision. Most people focus on spending. Successful people focus on building. A valuable skill is an asset that pays forever. Your first success matters because it builds belief. Progress is made daily, not occasionally. Wealth follows value creation. It's that simple. The biggest rewards often go to those who wait. Every challenge contains an opportunity to grow. The best investment strategy is staying consistent. Many people stop too early and never see results. The future belongs to people who prepare for it. Financial independence begins with personal responsibility. Success isn't complicated. It's repeated effort. A few smart decisions can change everything. The road to wealth starts with one step.
Every wealthy person once faced the same doubts you have. Don't wait for opportunity. Prepare for it. Action creates momentum. Momentum creates success. Time rewards those who stay committed. Your future income depends on today's effort. Financial growth requires patience and discipline. Most people know what to do. Few actually do it. The journey may be slow, but it's worth it. Focus on value first. Money follows later. The first step feels difficult. The second feels easier. Every successful journey begins with a simple decision. The more you learn, the more you can earn. Most people quit too soon, right before progress appears. Your daily choices shape your financial future. Success rewards consistency, not occasional effort. A small improvement every day becomes massive over time. Money grows best when given enough time. The market values solutions, not excuses. Every skill you develop increases your opportunities. The goal isn't quick wealth, it's lasting freedom. Building wealth requires patience. Keeping wealth requires discipline. Your future self depends on what you do today. Every dollar has potential when used wisely. Financial success starts with financial responsibility. Most people focus on obstacles. Winners focus on solutions. You don't need perfection. You need persistence. A strong mindset creates a strong future. Success isn't owned. It's rented every day. The best opportunities come to prepared people. Your value determines your earning potential. Financial freedom is built one smart decision at a time. Every setback teaches a valuable lesson. Focus on the process. The results will follow. Most overnight successes took years to build. Your habits are either helping or hurting you. Small investments today create larger rewards tomorrow. The path to success is rarely a straight line. Every challenge overcome makes you stronger. Discipline creates momentum. Momentum creates wealth. The sooner you begin, the sooner you improve. Success grows slowly, then suddenly. Money is attracted to value. Create more of it. The biggest risk in life is never taking one. Your future is not fixed. It's being created daily. Invest in yourself first. Everything else comes later. Every expert started as a complete beginner. Progress may be invisible today, but visible tomorrow. Financial freedom is possible.
for those who stay consistent. Your first $10,000 is important, but it's only the beginning. Start today, stay focused, keep learning. Your future self will thank you.